Well, after Prime Minister Modi's successful three-day visit to Russia and Austria, the Congress has launched a fresh campaign against Prime Minister Modi. The Congress has labelled Prime Minister Modi as Bail Buddhi to counter Modi's Balak Buddhi jibe at Rahul. The Congress party has posted several images of the Prime Minister on its social media platforms with the caption Bail Buddhi. In fact, we have some of these tweets that have been put up by the Congress party as well. The Congress party has taken to Twitter to put out these tweets. This is a response to what the Prime Minister has said. The Prime Minister had previously, remember, taken a dig at the Congress leaders, calling him Balak Buddhi. Now, the tweets on the right side of your screens have been put up by the Congress party.
Yes. And taking us through rather those tweets. And as we were telling you, viewers, the war of words between the Congress and the BJP is escalating. It's literally a battle of words, really. Congress responding with Bail Buddhi jibe at the Prime Minister. This is, of course, they claim in response to the Balak Buddhi attack. And now the war has escalated. It's the NCW chief who has responded to the Congress and said that the Congress has stooped extremely low. That's the big breaking news coming in. NCW's jumped into the controversy. NCW's taken a dig at the Congress, hit out at the Congress and said this is a new low which the Congress party has stooped down to. Pragya is joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, this is of course a big war of words which has escalated between the BJP and the Congress party. Congress now basically has taken up cudgels against the Prime Minister. They are attacking the Prime Minister with the Bail Buddhi attack, an attack which has led to this sort of reaction from the NCW. NCW hitting out at the Congress saying that this is stooping too low. Take us through the war of words which has emanated over the Congress's Bail Buddhi campaign.
Well, Meenakshi, I would say this is not just a campaign and a war of words, but it is also a systematic attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, in politics, perception is everything, and there is a perception battle right now going on. It was launched by BJP first on Rahul Gandhi when there were jibes and tags like Pappu that was stick to Rahul Gandhi, and everyone started calling Rahul Gandhi Pappu. And now in the Parliament, Prime Minister called Rahul Gandhi Balak Buddhi. So in a reaction to that, Congress has launched its counter attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and there are memes all over on the Congress social media platform. If you had seen, there are gaffes that has been made by Rahul Gandhi that were used by BJP social media team. Now it is the Congress social media team that is using that against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, picking out specific clips to say that, you know, the perception battle has been lost by the BJP. So this is a systematic attack on none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi right now. The kind of memes that have come out since last evening from the Congress handle, it shows that they are trying to pull down the image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is an image of the world leader. So it is, you can say that they have taken this battle away ahead also, but I would say that this is also a political battle of sorts, and it is going to aggravate and intensify in coming days.
And you're right, you know, Pragya, this battle and this war of words is only aggravating and intensifying, as you were saying. In fact, my colleague Deepti is joining us from the newsroom. She's going to take us through all the tweets, all these attacks which have been put out by the Congress party when we speak about this Bail versus Balak Buddhi battle which has emanated between the BJP and the Congress party. Yes, Deepti, over to you.
Yes, you know, Meenakshi, what's really happened is that you have seen Rekha Sharma getting into this entire big fight. People are wondering, why is Rekha Sharma doing that? She's the NCW chief. So I'll tell you from where did this emanate in the first place. There is this tweet that comes in from Supriya Srinath, where she puts out a particular tweet saying Bail Buddhi ke Lakshan, and this is a video that you will also see on the timeline of the Congress. Now, to this reply, you have Rekha Sharma, who has said, and allow me to quote, she says, how low can you fall to do chatukari / buttering / sycophancy? Don't fall so low that no one can pull you up. So Rekha Sharma is responding to what Supriya here has written. So clearly this has, you know, become a battle of egos, I think, like you have seen much between a lot of players in the opposition who've hit out at Rekha Sharma time and again, who remember is the NCW chief. Not very long ago, we had seen her entire video, in Hathras. Then there were people carrying umbrellas for her. You would recall that Mahua Moitra, TMC MP, actually had waded into that entire controversy.
Right.
So this is how I think this has moved, but this clearly tells you that daggers are drawn, Meenakshi, and Rekha Sharma clearly as the NCW chief getting into this, talking about chatukari, buttering sycophancy, is another new level of politics that we are seeing now.
Well, absolutely. And is it, unbecoming of our politicians to indulge in this level of politics? That's also a bigger question which all of them must ponder about. Deepti, thank you for taking us through that war of words and also giving us a context into the same. We also have Udit Raj of the Congress Party who's joining us on the phone line. Thank you, sir, for joining us. There is obviously, as I'm sure you'd know, a counter, an attack coming in from the side of the BJP, sir. BJP obviously is saying that this is extremely low. The Prime Minister is back from a two-nation tour. He is back from Russia and Austria. And the Congress Party has stooped too low, hurling the Bel Buddhi attack at him. How do you respond, sir, to the BJP's attack?
The Prime Minister himself is responsible. When he can vilify anybody, and he has to get back. So now it's being returned to him. What did he say to Rahul ji? And in the Parliament, was it a standard, a Prime Minister? And he is free to say anything to anybody. But when it comes to him, and a learned person, Rahulji studied abroad. He is such a knowledgeable and, of course, gentle person, honest person. Instead of replying the question raised by him about NEET and unemployment, Agniveer, farmer issue.
Yes, sir, on NEET and unemployment, and you're free to question the Prime Minister, but it's the language, the type of attack, using words like Bel Buddhi, that's what the BJP is also objecting to. Why don't you, I'll come to you, sir, stay with us. We have Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP. It's only fair that we get a BJP counter also on your argument. Mr. Sirsa, I'm sure you heard what Udit Raj has to say. What do you have to say about the Congress Party? Because Congress says we're only responding to the Balak Buddhi attack of the Prime Minister. It's the BJP which started this sort of new level in politics. How do you respond, sir?
देखिए, मैं इनकी बात का क्या रिस्पॉन्स दूंगा? इनका खुद का कोई स्टैंड नहीं रहता है। ये शाम को कहाँ होते हैं, सुबह कहीं होते हैं। आई रिमेंबर कि थोड़े दिन पहले राहुल गांधी जी को बुरा बोलते थे जब ये बीजेपी में थे, और अब ये राहुल गांधी जी को अपना नेता मानते हैं। तो इनके ऊपर है, इनके विवेक के ऊपर है। लेकिन वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर, राहुल गांधी इज अ फेयर लीडर। ही हैज ट्राइड सो मेनी ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स। हम तो उनके शुभ चिंतक, हम तो चाहते हैं कि एक अच्छा विपक्ष होना चाहिए, पर आपने देखा कि उनका बचपना उनका अड़ियल रवैया, जैसे एक छोटा बाल बच्चा कहता है कि मेरे को हाथी बोतल में डालना है, दिस काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड ऑफ राहुल गांधी, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल इन दिस सोसाइटी। उनका जो जिस तरह का बचपने की बातें हैं, जैसे स्कूल जाता बच्चा जिद करता है मुझे तो मणिपुर जाना है, तो somebody told them कि आप तो तमिलनाडु में तो अभी लोग मारे गए हैं 70 वहां, नहीं मुझे तो मणिपुर में जाना है, नहीं अभी तो आप देखिए वेस्ट बंगाल के अंदर बच्चियों के साथ कैसा न्याय हुआ, नहीं मुझे तो ही इज काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन। और उनकी एक लेगेसी है फैमिली की, उनको लगता है कि हमारे को राज घराने से हैं तो हमें अधिकार है राज करने का, और किसी को राज करने का अधिकार ही नहीं है। वाई अदर समबडी एनीबडी ऑन दिस अर्थ वुड हैव बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग कि मेरे को 99 सीट आ गई, अब पीएम मुझे ही होना चाहिए, और बीजेपी को 240 सीट आई, वो पीएम नहीं होना चाहिए।
And you're justifying the Balak Buddhi jibe, sir. And I wish Mr. Udit Raj was there to respond to that, because we've just lost that line. But just to play the devil's advocate here, because Congress is saying that the comments which the BJP made were unflattering and unsavory. So they say, what's wrong if we have also taken the Bel Buddhi attack or the Bel Buddhi jibe at the Prime Minister? How do you respond to this argument, sir?
First of all, it is not that Balak Buddhi we have said. In fact, the Congress senior leaders have time and again came out and said कि राहुल गांधी एक बच्चा है, अभी उनके पास पॉलिटिकल विजन नहीं है। इट इज नॉट दैट वी हैव डिसाइडेड, वी हैव कोटेड दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। अब वो कह रहे हैं बहल बुद्धि कहना चाहते हैं, वो किसका कहना चाहते हैं? प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ह्यूमिलेट करने का काम, उनको इंसल्ट करने का काम को कांग्रेस ने पहली बार नहीं किया। कोई भी जो पार्टी ऐसा समझे कि मेरा राज अधिकार सिर्फ मेरा ही है और इसलिए वो दूसरों को छोटा दिखाए, तो ये कांग्रेस का कोई नई चीज नहीं है।
Point taken. You are saying that these are extremely crass and unflattering comments, and these comments are not suitable when they are hurled at the Prime Minister, especially when he is back from a foreign tour, a two-nation tour, to say the least. Thank you, Mr. Sirsa, and also Udit Raj, for joining us with your views on this big story, this big war of words. We have reactions coming in from the side of the BJP as well. Listen into what Tom Vadakkan had to say.
Issueless Congress party led by Balak Buddhi has now recruited Mand Buddhis, trolls, after the Manipur press conference failed him yet again. This is yet another attempt to placate his ego that met with go back slogans from Manipur.
Sycophancy bid to placate Rahul Gandhi's ego. That's the attack coming in from the BJP. Congress obviously is using the initial attack by the Prime Minister when he had called or referred to Rahul Gandhi as Bal Buddhi or Balak Buddhi in the Parliament to justify this sort of attack which they have launched at the Prime Minister. Listen into what exactly the Prime Minister had said when he had rained fire on Rahul Gandhi in the Parliament earlier.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, बालक बुद्धि में ना बोलने का ठिकाना होता है और न ही बालक बुद्धि में व्यवहार का कोई ठिकाना होता है। और जब ये बालक बुद्धि पूरी तरह सवार हो जाती है तो सदन में भी किसी के गले पड़ जाते हैं। ये बालक बुद्धि अपनी सीमाएं खो देती है तो सदन के अंदर बैठ करके आंखें मारते हैं, आंखें मारते हैं। इनकी सच्चाई आदरणीय सभापति जी अब पूरा देश समझ गया है।
All right.